in this video, we will be talking about a very important topic, or I can say it's not just a topic, it is actually the entire way of communication, and that is sentences. Now sentences are basically nothing but just collection of words, and those words are arranged together in proper order so that out of that sentence there is some sense which is made. And if the collection of words make some sense, then we call that collection as sentence. So sentence is nothing but just a collection of words. So I can say that collection of words arranged in proper order is referred to as a sentence, right? This is a definition of sentence, that if that collection of words makes some sense, we derive some meaning out of that, then it is referred to as a sentence. Now sentence can be of many types. For example, affirmative sentence, exclamatory sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, or a negative sentence. And today in this particular video we will be focusing on negative sentences. Now negative, from the word negative you know that something which is not right. So negative sentence delivers us the message that there is something wrong in the sentence or something is not right. So negative sentence basically tells us that something is not right. So a negative sentence is also referred to as a declarative sentence. Negative sentence or declarative sentence. Now, a sentence becomes negative only when we make use of the words like no or not. So, negative sentences, they use words such as no, not, did not, or I can say none. So these are some of the basically none, not or no. With this you can apply any kind of tense and then different words can be formed from these words, no, not and none. So these are the three words which makes the sentence negative. Now let us discuss some of the examples of negative sentences. Now negative sentences are used when we want to convey something which is not completed, which is not done, or I can say some action or some event which had to take place but it did not take place, or maybe it was not supposed to take place. So whenever, again I'm talking about not, no. So not, no are all those words which make a sentence negative. So now some examples of negative sentences are the first example can be he had not been fit for a while. He had not been fit for a while. Again, the event or the action which did not take place as being fit. You were not fit. So when something did not take place, when something went wrong, we make use of negative sentence. Again I say, she will not understand my situation. Again, she will not understand my situation means that what is the event? The event is my situation or my condition. Now my condition is not well, which means something is not right, which she will not understand, right? Another example can be Rahul does not focus on his academics. Again, Rahul does not focus. What is the event? The event is focusing. And what is wrong? That he is not focusing on his academics. Therefore, maybe he is not scoring good marks. So, again, there is something negative about Rahul which is being described over here, which makes our sentence negative. Another example can be Sheena is not my cousin. When I say Sheena is not my cousin, again is not is there, so a negative sentence. Now out of all these sentences, why I am giving you more examples is that I want to show that not, like I say, this cupboard is of no use to me. Again, no use, that whenever there comes no or not, again my sentence turns negative. So this cupboard is of no use to me. Again, I am saying that the event is I am talking about my subject, which is cupboard. Again, here I am talking about a subject which I do not require. So this cupboard, I think, is wrong. It is not good for me. Here I want to explain that whenever I am using words like not or no, I can use these words with any of the tense. Here had not been is my past perfect tense. Here with not I am making use of a simple future tense. Here with not I am talking about a present tense. Here also I am talking about present tense. And this cupboard is of no use. Here also I am talking about present. So what I mean to say is that a negative sentence can have any form of tense. There is no rule that a negative sentence will not have that particular type of tense. Any tense is suitable with a negative sentence, and that negative sentence can also be regarded as a declarative sentence. So in this video particularly we have focused on the type of sentence which is negative sentence. Negative sentence makes use of words such as no, not or none. Then we also understood the concept of negative sentences by applying various examples so that we can understand this particular type of sentence in a better manner.